మనం ఉపయోగించే వస్తువుల్లో, ధరించే బట్టల్లో, నడిపే కాళ్ళలో, కూర్చునే కుర్చీల్లో ఇలా ప్రతి చోట డిజైన్ ఉంటుంది. డిజైన్ పరిశ్రమలో ఛాలెంజెస్, డైనమిక్స్, ఇన్నోవేషన్స్తో పాటు ఇన్కమ్ కూడా ఎక్కువే. డిజైన్ రంగంలో కెరీర్ ఎంపిక చేసుకుంటే అవకాశాలు ఎలా ఉంటాయో జాబ్ ఫోకస్లో చూద్దాం.
Every child is an artist, but unfortunately when they go to school, the system is such they start losing it because of the performance pressure, because the tremendous outdated burden of education which is so traumatic. They forget what is their talent, what is the skill, what they are good at, because either they suffer from exam fever, then they get into depression, then the number of teacher student ratio is not there. What we look for, the odd ones, and kids, those who have talent of drawing, those who have talent on singing, any performance talent which is uniquely gifted. And then what we look at, that their sensitivity, you know, how sensitive they are, how humble they are, because often our kids think that I am not speaking good English, and in NID selection process we do not look at that at all, because in India we speak some 5,000 different kind of English depending on the region we are from. And this is what we encourage, that many of our students come from across India, and they come through different selection process. Of course, there is a little bit of luck factor which works here, but my message to students time and again, be at your natural best, draw whatever you experience. Drawing is very important tool for design education, but drawing as a handwriting, there is nothing called good drawing or bad drawing, and that is where design education comes here, because to convey our idea we encourage them to draw. It can be a diagram, it can be a line drawing, it can be doodles, but drawing, and drawing which is original, not copy. We do not encourage copy work, and at the same time we see little bit of their awareness about their region, awareness about their family, whether they remember their grandparents' name. We do not get very excited about if students say that yes, I know everything about Bollywood. That does not hold much of importance here, and that is what again the uniqueness of NID selection is, very human centric. Academic courses are like, it's an undergraduate, all these new NIDs, 4 new NIDs, National Institute of Design, Andhra Pradesh, Assam, Haryana, and also one more which is in I think where in MP, Bhopal. They are all new NIDs, but it is it is a offshoot of the NID Ahmedabad, the mothership, what we call all of alumni is that best practice of 55 years. We follow a strong design foundation. So it is a 4-year program. Right now we are offering only undergraduate program. After 10+2 they can apply for it. They can then they have to go through different 3 level of selection process, and then selected students we take. Right now there are 60 seats offer, and there are certain percentage and related to quota and general category and all. This information you will find on our website, but once they get to the lucky 60, they have to go through 1 year of design foundation, where they learn all the basic design courses like design drawing, color, compositions. Along with that they come to geometry, that is very important course, that geometry in 2D form, geometry in 3D form, and we also teach them in a group manner. Students come from diversity. 60 students are picked up in a system where each of them are uniquely different. So we look for 1:10 proportions of teacher students ratio. So in a 60 students, ideally we look for 6 faculty to teach them and give them a much more enriching mentorship approach. But since we do not have exam system after they get through, the journey become very tough, because we do not necessarily encourage students to get highest marks. There is no culture of getting highest marks, there is no competition pressure. It is basically push them of doing things, And design education, what we look for here, more and more time they should spend in studio and workshops. After 1 year successful completion of foundation program, design foundation program, they get a chance to choose the discipline which they like to get into it. There are 3 umbrellas. One is communication design, where they get the exposure of the nitty-gritty of communicating the ideas through the medium of or the vehicles like print media, like graphic design. There they get exposed to the type design, font design, poster design, element of graphic design, many other subjects are there. And then they go through the moving medium like cinematography, sound, editing, film language, and then they get into the wave and interacting or emerging medium like AR, VR, and etc., etc., etc. Likewise, there is industrial design. Industrial design largely based around product design. That is the mother of industrial design. Product design, where they go through the nitty-gritty of making a process of making a product and the usability of that product. So, they also go through the inputs of product audit, like how a toothbrush can be improved, so a person with arthritic problem can use it well. So it's that kind of approach. And then one of the most rich program what National Institute of Design is known for from Ahmedabad is textile and apparel, integrated textile and apparel. And apparel is another interesting course which often mistaken as fashion design. It is not fashion design, it is dress design. So, and that course involve a fantastic approach of discovering the rich textile culture of India, and Andhra Pradesh is one fertile hub for that, and that is, I think, NID AP will be known for. And then they do research and craft documentation, documenting the craft community, working with the craft community, and then trying to find out that new results. So, this first 2 years they go through their disciplines. 4th year they have to do projects, half they have to do in a classroom scenario, their projects of their choice, and then they have to find a live project in the industry. And industry does not mean that you have to all have to go to Bangalore or Bombay. Industry also can be the government bodies, agencies, NGOs, or even we have the culture of doing hypothetical projects, and sometimes even our own NID can get some government project which can be given as a student project. So, it is always a hands-on learning with the guidance of faculty, both internal and external, because NID is another uniqueness is we have a very generous visiting faculty culture. Faculties come from India, faculties come from the world, even our own graduates come. So, it has become a continuing tradition of design education.
NID Andhra Pradesh ఇందులో యాక్చువల్లీ రావాలంటే డేట్ సెట్ ఉంటుంది 60 స్టూడెంట్స్ 60 సీట్స్ ఆఫర్ చేస్తుంది అనమాట. సో 60 సీట్లు దీనికి 10+12 చేసి ఉండాలి. ఇంటర్మీడియట్లో 50% కన్నా అబవ్ మార్క్స్ ఉంటే ఏ సబ్జెక్ట్ అయినా సరే మనం రాయొచ్చు. రాసినాక ఇది డేట్ సెట్లో ఒకవేళ క్వాలిఫికేషన్ అయినట్టయితే ఇందులో ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ ఫౌండేషన్ ఉంటుంది 60 స్టూడెంట్స్కి, మొత్తం అందరు కలిపి ఫౌండేషన్ ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ మొత్తం చేయాలి. మొత్తం చేసిన తర్వాత సెకండ్ ఇయర్ నుండి మనకి ఇక్కడ 3 సబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఒకటి ఇండస్ట్రియల్ డిజైను, రెండోది టెక్స్టైల్ అండ్ అపరల్ డిజైను, థర్డ్ ఏమో మన కమ్యూనికేషన్ డిజైను. సో కమ్యూనికేషన్ డిజైన్ ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయాక సెకండ్ ఇయర్ నుండి 3 కోర్సెస్లో స్ప్లిట్ అవుతుంది అన్నట్టు 20 స్టూడెంట్స్ 60. సో 20 అయినాక వాళ్ళకి సెకండ్ ఇయర్, థర్డ్ ఇయర్, ఫోర్త్ ఇయర్ కంప్లీట్గా వాళ్ళు దాంట్లో స్పెషలైజేషన్లో వర్క్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు అన్నమాట.
సో ఇది నేను చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి జనరల్గా డ్రాయింగ్ అదంతా ఆ ఫీల్డ్లో ఎక్కువ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉండింది, ఆర్ట్స్ అండ్ క్రాఫ్ట్స్ అలాగా. సో ఇంజనీరింగ్ అవన్నీ ఇష్టం లేదు, సైన్స్ ఇష్టం కానీ బట్ సో అలా చూస్తూ ఆల్మోస్ట్ 11th 12th వచ్చినప్పుడు ఫ్యామిలీ వాళ్ళు సజెస్ట్ చేశారు లైక్ డిజైనింగ్ అనేది ఒకటి ఉంది అండ్ NID నిఫ్ట్స్ అవన్నీ ఉన్నాయి, సో దానిలో ట్రై చేయొచ్చు అని. సో ఆ టైంలో జాయిన్ అయ్యాను. ప్రస్తుతానికి నేను టెక్స్టైల్ అండ్ అపారల్ డిజైనింగ్లో జాయిన్ అయినాను అండ్ నేను ఇప్పుడు 3rd year స్టూడెంట్ని. సో ఆల్మోస్ట్ 3 years అయింది జాయిన్ అయ్యి. నాకు యాక్చువల్గా ఫర్నిచర్ డిజైనింగ్ దాని మీద ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంది. సో ఫర్నిచర్, టెక్స్టైల్ వాటిని కంపైల్ చేసుకొని చేయడం, లేకపోతే ఇల్లస్ట్రేషన్స్ అవన్నీ బొమ్మలు గీయడం అదంతా, సో దాని మీద ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంది.
నాకు బొమ్మలు వేయడంలో ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉండేవారికి, అయినా క్రాఫ్ట్స్ అన్నీ చేయడం ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉండేవారికి నాకు రిలేటివ్స్ చెప్పారు ఇలాగ NID అని ఒక కాలేజ్ ఉందని. మా రిలేటివ్స్లో మా మామయ్య తను ఒక ఫైన్ ఆర్టిస్ట్ అనమాట, కాబట్టి తను నాకు ఇలాగ సలహా ఇచ్చారు, NID అయితే నీకు మంచిగా ఉంటుంది, అక్కడ నువ్వు నీకు ఎలాంటివి కావాలంటే అన్ని డిసిప్లిన్స్ నుంచి నీకు మంచి క్రియేటివ్ స్కిల్స్ అన్నీ నీకు లభిస్తాయని చెప్పారనమాట. అలాగా నేను ఒక కోచింగ్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్కి వెళ్ళాను. అక్కడ ఎన్ఐడి కోసం ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యాను. రోజు స్కెచింగ్ చేసి రోజు ఆప్టిట్యూడ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ నేర్చుకొని డిఫరెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ సాల్వ్ చేసి తర్వాత ఎగ్జామ్ రాశాను. ఎగ్జామ్ రాసాక సీట్ వచ్చింది ఇక్కడ. అలాగా
నేను హైదరాబాద్ నుంచి వచ్చాను. ముఖ్యంగా నేను ఎన్ఐడిలోకి వచ్చానంటే మా నాన్నగారి వల్ల. మా నాన్న ఒక కళాకారుడు, సో ఆర్టిస్ట్ ఆయన. సో ఆయన అవేర్నెస్ వల్ల నాకు ప్రిపేర్ జస్ట్ ఎగ్జామ్ రాశాను, వచ్చింది. అలాగే ఎక్కువ క్రియేటివ్ ఫీల్డ్.
నాకు ఎన్ఐడి గురించి తెలిసి 2 సంవత్సరాలు అయింది. మొదట్లో లైక్ అందరూ ఎన్ఐడి అహ్మదాబాద్కి చాలా ఇంపార్టెన్స్ ఇస్తుండే. ఎన్ఐడి విజయవాడ అండ్ లైక్ కొత్తగా వచ్చిన ఎన్ఐడి 5 సంవత్సరాలు 4 సంవత్సరాలు ఎన్ఐడి విజయవాడకి రావడానికి చాలామంది భయపడుతుండే. నేను లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ వచ్చిన జాయిన్ కావడానికి చాలాసార్లు ఆలోచించిన. బట్ ఆఫ్టర్ ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి జాయిన్ అయినాక ద లాట్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్పోజర్, ఫ్యాకల్టీస్, స్టూడెంట్స్, లైక్ వేరే వాళ్ళు మా సీనియర్స్ కూడా చాలా హెల్ప్ఫుల్గా ఉండే. సో యూ వోంట్ రిగ్రెట్ యువర్ డిసిజన్ ఎన్ఐడి విజయవాడ జాయిన్ అయిన తర్వాత.
I always feel that such a fantastic education culture, which is inspired from the German design school movements called Bauhaus and Ulm, and then there is a Moscow design school, and then there is also Shantiniketan. Without that, National Institute of Design first of all never would have take off. And the challenge is today, because for many years it remains very exclusive design school. Today I think awareness is spreading much more faster, because children or the probable students, they know in this country National Institute of Design is a kind of education institute where they get a chance to experiment, they get a chance to prove their talent. So definitely this high demand is there, and we are that is the result. If you look at it, 4 more NID started, but to start with 100 students is risky, because our biggest challenge is not the student. The biggest challenge is get efficient human resource, faculty. And you know, in design education what we call, it's not only faculty of theory, there are different level, there are everybody is contributing, and everybody is a teaching staff. I have a lot of international collaborations. In NID also I was part of the international program. So there are some of the schools I always bring example that every level that we are very workshop based education, and everybody has right to explore there. So we encourage our teachers also, because the teaching staff is big crisis, it's a big challenge. There is a pressure from ministry, they will be more happy if we take more students. This year I think we are already taken decisions to add 6% more to economically weaker class. So more talent does not necessarily come from any particular section. Talent often we see it comes from perhaps a section where they are not economically empowered. So being a public institute, now ministry also giving us support to all these NIDs. This year onwards we will be expanding the seat little more. So step by step I am sure, and along with that we are also talking about on national level that how to introduce the teachers training program, because that is another thing, because design is going to be the thing of the century now, and so this is we are all concerned about it. Necessarily we don't really, but one thing we can introduce, which we will introduce, design awareness workshops, training program, and some of them can also perhaps not afford to go for 4 years program, but at least design foundation program, something like short term program, something for the practitioners like school teachers, they can attend 3 days workshop of design awareness, which can be part of their teaching methodology. So but these are the plans, like it needs time, it builds slowly, and but we are aware of that. Yes, I'm very much concerned, and my other counterparts of different NID directors, they are also concerned, including Ahmedabad, that we need to really deal with this, because the brand matters end of the day. Even though it seems there are more than 8,000 design schools in this country, but National Institute of Design is known for its authenticity. Yeah. 2004 in National Institute of Design, when I was as a faculty, I was teaching. A couple of our graduates, contemporaries, and visiting faculties and international faculty. One of the person I specially mention here, who is instrumental to give me courage to take this fantastic students event called Chitragatha, which is means in Indian words, Chitra and Katha. Yeah, picture and words. What is word is a picture, and what is picture is a word. And it's a storytelling festival. So we should do something. We should celebrate National Institute of Design and the ethos and the philosophies, because in the time sometimes we forget. And this festival is a proof, living proof of connecting people and listening to their stories, and they also listen to our stories. I am in a region where my first thing is I like to know the story of Andhra Pradesh. And before I listen to the story of Andhra Pradesh, I need to know the story of the Namburu village. Because India is so uniquely diverse. Even though all of us are speaking English, we are wearing jeans and different kind of costumes across the world is visible, where the challenge of identity and homogeneity. So all these things become a proof of this edition. From animation and storytelling festival, graphic storytelling festival, this year I felt that being my position as a director, it is unfair to only do animation festival. This triggered when a couple of students from industrial design told me that you are communication design faculty, communication designers, so you don't talk about other design area. I said, come on, design touches everywhere. So let's do a design festival. So this year onwards, this edition onwards, we are doing festival of design stories. We will hear from across the world. 26 international experts are coming. Fashion designers, product designers, sound designers, interactive persons, AR VR people, master students, veterans, scientists, physicists, then our alumni and other experts from India. So 5 days this place will vibrate. It will celebrate the human energy, and in a time where technology is so affordable, and this will, I think, will elevate our spirit, give us positioning, and I am sure it will give confidence also to the local community, people around us, and we will know new people, other people also know us, and I think we will build this energy what we build in National Institute of Design Ahmedabad. And I feel very happy end of the day, because already a young bunch of students are working towards it. My experience of being into this field, design education, for all these years, I feel that all the schools remain in isolation. School of Architecture is there, it's a fantastic SPA, which remain in isolation. There are many other schools, I am sure, in and around, colleges, arts colleges, from children's schools to middle schools to higher schools to, because as I say, education is continuous, it never stops. So we started this year first Student Design Olympic, which has 19 category, and we are inviting ideas, any design ideas, and students, young team, they are already working towards it. And what we are giving them during the festival time, there are 190 entries came so far for different categories, which is another success. What will happen? How Olympic Games started historically? Olympic Games started in the time when people used to fight and kill each other in the world, and some people said, let's do Olympic Games through sports, let's defeat each other. So it's a bloodless competition, and that's how sports become more popular. So I feel that since design schools are not interacting with each other, let students celebrate with each other as an Olympic Games to build a healthy relations, so we can contribute to each other. And eventually, if we succeed to have a exchange between SPA, with engineering college, with art school, with the junior school, everybody will learn from each other. Everybody will, share from each other. Who will be benefited? I think the larger society will be benefited.
మా కార్యక్రమంపై మీ అభిప్రాయాలు తెలియజేయగలరు. ఈమెయిల్ ddSaptagiri@gmail.com, ఫేస్బుక్ www.facebook.com/ddsaptagiri, ట్విట్టర్ twitter.com/ddsaptagirivja, ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ www.instagram.com/ddsaptagiri, యూట్యూబ్ www.youtube.com/c/ddsaptagiri.